Hey, it's Glenn with ERD, you know, the guy in the video. And today we're going to talk about how to take a proper picture for sending us the information we need to make your CPC4 quick release for your truck to prevent your CPC4 from being stolen. Each cable that we make is custom configured to the type of truck it is, so we need to know the wiring harness that you have installed in your truck. It's easy. All you have to do is take your CPC4 out of the truck, take the 4 connectors that are left, and send us a picture of each one of them, or collectively all 4 of them, with the front face at the leading edge of the picture so that we can see which of the pins are populated in the connector. And if we have that picture, we know exactly how to configure our cable for your truck. So please, before you order our quick release CPC4 cable, please send us this picture so that we can get you the right cable.